In this video, we'll prepare 9 nutrient formulations for strawberry production using a combination of 8 different fertilizers. We'll start by preparing 4 strawberry nutrient targets that were tested in a recent scientific study, and then expand to new customized recipes. First, let's input the macronutrient concentrations for target 1. This formulation is known as the standard Yamazaki nutrient solution, which is widely used in hydroponic strawberry production. Next, input the chemical composition of the fertilizers you'll use to formulate the nutrient recipe. Think of these fertilizers as the essential ingredients supplying the nutrients required to meet the target 1 concentration for good strawberry growth. I evaluated the prices of the available fertilizers and selected 8 that were both accessible from my preferred supplier and reasonably priced. You can complete this section using the fertilizers that best fit your own preferences and availability. Finally, enter the volume of your fertigation tank, then click Calculate Recipe to generate the nutrient solution formulation. Congratulations! We've successfully created our first strawberry nutrient recipe, precisely matching the target 1 formulation designed for our strawberry production system. Now, let's return to our formulation and adjust it according to the second nutrient composition tested in the referenced research study. We'll run another test using the third formulation. And now, proceed with the fourth formulation. Let's modify the recipe to better match growers' specific needs. In this example, I'll double the calcium concentration to demonstrate how the formulation can be adjusted. Next, we'll double the nitrogen concentration. In target 7, I'll increase the sulfur concentration to an arbitrary level of 40 milligrams per liter. Let's make the formulation a bit more complex. I'll increase the magnesium concentration to 40 milligrams per liter, while simultaneously reducing the calcium concentration to 20 milligrams per liter. This time, let's create an even more complex adjustment. We'll double both the phosphorus and magnesium concentrations while reducing calcium to 1/4 of its original level. Here, you can see the summary of all the recipes we generated using GrowDose. The results highlight how much the nutrient formulations can vary, yet each recipe was calculated precisely and without error. This gives you confidence in testing different strawberry formulations to support healthy and consistent plant growth.